Each veil that I make is the beginning of this family's legacy.
We are going to show how you would pin the lace to the edge of your veil. I generally like to taper the edges where the lace starts so that it doesn't start abruptly. I do this by cutting smaller lace appliques and positioning them in a way that allows the lace to naturally flow out to the full width of the fabric. This is a partial lace veil, meaning that there is no lace up by the face, but it starts perhaps where the elbows begin to curve. And I found the best way to pin the lace is to pin the top edge to the bottom rim of the tulle every several inches. I like to keep the lace on top of the tulle and pin the lace so that a small portion of the lace is hanging over the edge of the tulle, but that the majority of the lace trim is still resting on the tulle. Right now I'm going to just finish trimming out this applique, and I'm going to pin it to the beginning of where the lace is starting so that it has a more pleasing start and a pleasing entrance. Most veils do have a slightly rounded shape, and that's the place that I'm getting to right now. That can be a little bit more tricky to make sure that the lace is staying flat as you're pinning it to the tulle. You do not want any puckering or any awkward bulging. So if your lace is wide, this is a medium width lace here, but even for this lace you have to cut slits or darts in the lace to allow the lace to lay flat on top of the tulle. You can then slightly overlap these cuts to gently ease around the corners of your veil. And please note, you only have to do this if you notice that your lace is not laying quite flat along the curves and it's puckering. And for this lace, it definitely was puckering, and that's not what we want. Also, in case you are curious, this is my nostalgia lace, which is a French Alençon lace trim with a pretty strong scallop and some cording throughout to give it dimension. I'm now getting to the other side of the veil where the lace is going to stop. So in the same way as I did previously, I'm going to slightly taper the edges and trim a small little applique to make it more pleasing.